What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today, this thing drives out of the garage for the first time in a very long time. Full disclosure though, I'm recording this after the fact. This thing already drove out of the garage. So I know it drives, hence why this video is going up. Friends just came over, decided to help me finish up the project, and we just kind of got carried away, so we just went for it and forgot to do the intro. So I was super excited to work on this, and I hope that you guys enjoy the video. A lot of time and effort has gone into this car, and it's just the beginning. Just the beginning for this car. Still so much more that I need to do to this car. Like, one, give it a bath. It's absolutely filthy. But anyways, let's jump right into the video with, we're gonna be installing the radiator, the reservoirs, finishing up the drive shaft, and a few other like things here and there to make sure that the car can actually leave the garage. So the problem we're running into is that this OEM line, right, goes to the radiator and goes to the water pump.
Correct.
If we put it above the belt, which it shouldn't be because that wouldn't make sense, it touches the belt. If we put it below the belt, it still touches the belt.
No coolant.
Cut it?
No coolant.
No coolant, just run the engine hot.
That shouldn't be.
It should go under the belt.
Yep.
We took it off the old one, and it's been on there the whole time.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Motherfucker. It's ridiculous. Who has this much fucking patience? Not I. I am a lesser man. New dilemma is dog 8 connector. Kind of my fault. I let the dogs, it's just in the backyard on the ground. The dog kind of just went for it. Connector won't go into sensor because it was chewed up. So we're gonna use the heat gun and try and mold it back in place to a kind of where it should be to force it in there. I do need a sponsor. I think, hey, if anyone wants to sponsor me, go ahead and sponsor me. I could use tools, food, energy drinks, car parts, whatever. Clothes, I run through clothes a lot. Sponsor me. All right, so we were successful in heating this up and getting it back on there. I just lost the retaining thing. I don't know where it went, but it's not that big of a deal. We got the AC lines going in over here. No, not back here yet, but up here, good. And then we're gonna put our radiator mounts back on. Radiator mounts, coolant reservoir, power steering reservoir. And then the last thing will be these lines right here. And then that is literally it. Everything, right, you already got the drive shaft good?
Yeah. Well, as good as it's gonna be.
What does that mean?
That's not gonna let me like go any tighter. All of them are flush to the thing, but without another wrench, it's not gonna let me tighten.
Oh, because the wrench is broken.
What about the back?
Yeah, you did the back, right?
The back, yeah.
And the front?
The front is good.
Oh, we're good. Good enough. But we are getting ever so close to getting this car out of the garage. There. I am contributing. Oh God. No way. Oh, it just got loose real quick.
He doesn't have a sensor to charge.
That's good enough. Good enough. Cool.
Get a machine for that.
It's tight enough. It got loose real quick and then tight again. Good enough.
This
Yeah.
looks like it goes in the front.
It does, for sure. One of the things says power steering on it. Our reservoir over here. Reservoir is gonna sit nicely right about there. Right there. Test it, start it, so we can see if the wheels will turn before we lower it. Let me get it out of the freaking garage. And then on the street at Redline. First try. We gotta have like a tow truck on standby or something like that. Start, we know it started last night, so it'll start again. We're just gonna check the tires, make sure they spin, then we lower the car and drive it out of here.
Cool, isn't it?
Yeah, well, yeah. Details.
They are moving.
That's good stuff. That's all we wanted. Now we lower it and drive her out.
Okay. Oh my god. All right. Yeah.
We are moving. We are literally moving.
Okay, press the gas. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, see, he's going for it. Just go for it. Oh my god.
There are so many vibrations.
I bet.
I do want to kind of just drive down the road real quick, but
See, I told you.
I mean, like, the check engine light's on, the fucking wrench light's on. There's no...
Just go real quick.
Up it. That way if we break down, I got someone with me. All right, the airbag light's on. I'm like, we might break down right there.
Oh my god, you weren't kidding.
Yeah, the vibrations are crazy. There's still no power steering.
Nah, you're strong enough.
Of course, we're on a hill.
Stop.
That's the plug. That's the spark plug.
Woo!
That's the plug that just ejected. We didn't even make it out of the driveway.
Well, my guess is this one.
That front plug, right?
It sounds like spark plug. It sounded like it popped off.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's that front passenger side plug.
Yeah, that's where it sounded like.
Yep, it's right there. It's just right here.
Oh.
Yep.
Jake Webb. I knew that was gonna happen too. I had a feeling.
I just didn't think it was gonna happen so fast. Well, I guess there's no way I'm gonna finish this in time to make like a good video out of it. You know, like this is where we end the video. The thing moved on its own power,
But
which
it worked.
That was crazy.
Yeah, it ran. So it's fine.
That was the goal. It
Yeah.
ran. Okay, what was it, Sandra? To turn on. It was a perk if it moved.
Yes.
You know, if anything, that's the worst thing that could
Yeah.
happen.
Like that's great if that's what happened. The spark plug is fucking cooked, though, and it's bent.
At least the prong didn't fall in though. It's fine. It literally just popped off.
Yeah.
But we all knew that was probably gonna happen. It was JV
This
welded.
is something we predicted, and it's not something that's heartbreaking. I just wish I could have driven it more than just the hill there. It's all right. That's all right. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you really like, subscribe if you want to. It's completely free. You can always change your mind later. I'm gonna try and fix this another time. Until that time, I'll see you later.
What if I forgot to record all that?
That'd be unfortunate.